Up first this evening, the Transport Authority has issued a summons for a bus driver who was caught on video carrying out dangerous stunts with passengers on board. The video, which has been circulating on social media, has renewed calls for drivers to stop doing stunts which put the public at risk. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
The 32 seconds video shows passengers raving to loud music in the minibus. So too the driver, who carries out antics as he maneuvers the vehicle, which is followed by cheers from the passengers. But let's go back and take a closer look. The driver waves the steering wheel, which he removed from the steering column of the moving vehicle seconds earlier. But it gets worse. The driver opens the door and then our news team took to the streets to get a response from some drivers on the 82 route, which plies from Crossroads to Waterhouse in St. Andrew.
It's not appropriate at all.
Yeah, man, to go and to lead. From you hear from good thing them, you know another me I tell.
Younger people are take over right now. And you don't find that on a bus where big people are drive.
While in Crossroads, members from Transport Authority swarmed the bus park. Shortly after, the driver seen carrying out the antics in the video being circulated arrived. We tried to get a comment, but...
Afternoon, sir.
No interviews.
The bus was later placed on a wrecker. A supervisor on the scene spoke with our news team.
It's inappropriate and the authority will be taking action.
Communications manager at the Transport Authority, Petrokeen Williams, told our news center how the driver was located.
Operations manager Diana Pattison, she dispatched a specialized team to go and find the vehicle because we find that kind of behavior irresponsible and we cannot have that kind of behavior happening on our roads with passengers, whether they approve or not. And so the team apprehended the vehicle within hours of us receiving a copy of the video, and we have summoned the owner and the driver of the vehicle, and so we will be taking ensuring that the full consequences will be applied both to the driver and the owner of the unit.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.